Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to earn free Bitcoin when you shop online. Okay, so there's a new tool that allows you to earn free Bitcoin as you shop online. When you buy stuff, you can get up to 30% back in Bitcoin. So, if you buy like a $100 item, you can get $30 in free Bitcoin. If you're interested in this, just check out the link in the description. It'll take you right to the sign up page. Here's some of the stores you can shop at, but there's like over 500 stores. There was like 700 stores or something, I think. And this is called Lolli, L-O-L-L-I. So what you can do, click the link in the description. It's gonna bring you to this page. Then you wanna click Get Lolli for Chrome, and it's gonna take you to like the Chrome store where you can get an extension. So you just come here, there's gonna be a big button right here that says add this extension. You wanna do that. I've already added it. So once you add the extension, it's gonna give you a thing up here in the top right, this little bubble. You can click on that and get all of your details. And when you go to purchase something online, it should automatically pull this up and activate those rewards for you. The next thing you can do is click this big shop button right here in the top right corner. That's going to show you all the stores and the Bitcoin back that you can get through those stores. And there's tons and tons of them here. Some of them you probably use regularly. Things like GoDaddy, tons of people are doing that, buying web hosting. You get up to 4.5% back on that. You can pretty much go to any website and it'll show you if it has it. Or you can come here to this shop list. And like if you want to shop at Nike, just click shop here. It's going to automatically bring you to Nike. Then you can just do your thing, buy whatever you're looking to buy. And you can even click the extension up here and it's gonna say you're on Nike and you're activated for up to 3% Bitcoin back. So if you buy a $100 pair of shoes, you're gonna get $3 free Bitcoin. It might not seem like a lot, but it'll definitely add up, especially with some bigger purchases or ones that have higher percentages like 10%, 15%, things like that. But there you have it, how to earn some free Bitcoin while shopping online. Did a purchase earlier, it takes a little bit to go through, but we'll be able to see this thing go through. We'll be able to see the Bitcoin come to me in action in a later video. I'll make further tutorials to show how it all works. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past.